sells more Chevys. Get to Kenny.
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for Butler County, Pennsylvania, effective until 5:30 p.m. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a tornado warning for southern Butler County and west central Pennsylvania until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Evans City, or 7 miles northeast of Cranberry, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Butler, Homemaker, Lindora, Shaner, Northvue, Meridian, Meadow, and Oak Hills around 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the tornadic thunderstorm include East Butler, Connock-Knesset, Collery, and Nixon. Precautionary/preparedness actions: take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWSPITTSBURGH.
Find your bargain at Kenny Ross Chevrolet. Right now, get into a brand...
He made the decisions that he made that day.
Well, it's moving east because they just extended the tornado warning into Butler County, or in Butler County, until 5:30.
There's not much left.
Phone call completed.
Wall cloud here.
Continue 1.7 miles, then take exit 75 on right towards US 19 South.
Phone call completed.
In 1.2 miles, take
Yeah,
exit
they're all
75
covering it.
on
It's moving
right,
towards Butler.
towards US
going
19
northeast.
south.
Yeah, I'm looking at it right now. This is weird. This is probably the real thing. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and call it no.
Phone call completed.
Take exit 75 on right, towards US 19 south.
Definitely strengthened pretty quickly. Came out of nowhere. It's getting stronger by the minute.
Continue 0.3 miles, then turn left on Warrendale Bain Road.
It's directly over Cranberry.
Turn left on Warrendale Bain Road.
Phone call
then turn
completed.
left. Left on Golden Grove Road.
Someone who lives right nearby. Call one of 89 Pittsburgh area Allstate agents today and save 10% when you sign up now. Feature is optional. Coverage, discounts, and features are subject to terms, conditions, and availability. Discount applies to premium for major perils. Savings vary.
Drive 0.6 miles, then turn right on Bradford Park Road.
Are you in good hands?
In 1776, President John Adams predicted July 4th would be celebrated with fireworks across America. Well, Phantom Fireworks has been perfecting backyard celebrations for 30 years. Phantom has over 1,200 locations with every type of fireworks available by law.